component of reaction at B. So how many independent reaction components are developed? 3. Or one general inclined reaction at B, one vertical reaction at A, and one inclined applied force at any location of this horizontal member. Now, how many forces are acting there in the system? 3 forces are acting. One is.
Sir, why is that inclined force at B?
तो बेटा किसका आवाज आ रहा है वो बंद कर अपना माइक. हाँ, आप प्लीज रिपीट योर क्वेश्चन.
Sir, why is there a inclined reaction force at B, sir?
One thing, to balance the horizontal component of applied force, there you need one horizontal component of reaction at B. To balance the vertical component of that inclined applied force, you need some vertical component of reaction B. So that RB horizontal and RB vertical, if you combine these two reaction forces, you get a single force. There is the single reaction at B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you think it in some other way. One day we discussed about the condition of equilibrium of 3 forces in a plane. What is the primary condition?
It should form a closed triangle.
Before that, they must be concurrent. If those are non-concurrent, then suppose vector 1 and 2, they have one point of intersection, and third force is not passing through that point of intersection of force 1 and 2. So the resultant of 1 and 2 is definitely equal and opposite to the third force to give you resultant force 0, but they are forming one couple. So to avoid that situation, you need to pass the third force through that point of intersection of 1 and 2. So that is the primary criteria, that 3 forces must be concurrent. Now here is one vertical force, the reaction at A, some inclined force, you draw and extend its line of action, you get some point of intersection between the reaction at A, the vertical line, and the applied force inclined line. So for the condition of equilibrium, what is the third force? Third force is the reaction at B. So that third force must pass through that point of intersection of the other 2 forces for equilibrium. So that is the primary criteria, that this reaction or combined reaction at B will be some inclined line. And if you resolve it in 2 components, one horizontal, that is RBH, and one vertical, that is RBV, or RBX and RBY, either in that way of components or in the way of single reaction force, that combined reaction force. So there are so many such interesting, very basic and preliminary aspects. That's why I ask you, you don't bother for only those foreign authors. Of course, I believe so many Indian reprint are also there. वो भी सस्ते में मिल जाएगा आपको. Not like that in dollar or pound or euro. लेकिन पुराने जमाने में we had to purchase all these books with some conversion from dollar to INR. अभी तो 70-75 or nearing 80 rupees per dollar लगेगा. मुझे पता नहीं exactly what is the exchange. But we are not procuring that thing. We will purchase in terms of Indian rupee. और थोड़ा बहुत investment तो करना ही पड़ेगा. So when you come back to NIT and getting the facility of NIT library, then it's fine. Till then, you help your friends. चंदा उठा के कोई भी किताब खरीद लो, फोटो उठाओ, and of course you are violating the copyright. The simple required pages of problems भेज दो अपने दोस्तों